the unboxing did not go as planned. For some reason my fucking phone decided to just stop recording. You know, I had a whole fun time unboxing it with this, cutting the paper off and everything, but it came in a bag, in a box, in another box, in a bag, in a sheath. And the sheath is actually no slouch. This is actually really heavy-duty material, so when you get it, don't be afraid to use the sheath. I'm not going to be afraid to use the sheath. Other than that, yeah, this thing, I lost the entire unboxing of it. My reaction was actually pretty funny, I think. But yeah, go on Wish, look up Bearing Balisong. Bearing Balisong. I'll try to get a link commented on here or something like that. But check this fucking thing out. Look at the grind. The grind is perfectly even on both sides. D2 steel blade. It's exceedingly sharp. I already decided to cut the shit out of this box that it came in. This is the first box, so I haven't done anything to try to even come close to stropping this or anything. This is literally about 5 minutes out of the box, so cuts right through the double layer like it was nothing. So look for this thing on Wish. All right, it's going to be about probably close to 40 bucks unless you get a couple of deals on it. This is a box that came in Samsung. I don't know what that little marking is, but it's got a little marking for bearing washers, D2 steel, which we'll see if it's D2. But so far, this thing is really well put together. There's like no play whatsoever in the handles. It's stupid lightweight. It's really easy to flip, as you can see. It's just a lot of fun. It's a good time, you know, and it's definitely going to be functional, I think. I hope anyway. It's a little light, so it takes a little getting used to being able to do like the thumb rollovers and stuff like that. But other than that, this thing, like it's just a lot of fun, and I highly recommend it. This is going to be a new carry knife right here. This is going to be it. And when I get more money, I'm going to get another one. At least another one. So until next time, this has been kind of an unboxing video. I was out in my little home gym and I saw the mail truck pull up and I was like, ah! So I ran, grabbed it, grabbed my knife, grabbed my phone, you know, came out here, and then my phone fucked off on me, so that was great. I know I'm a little bit pink, a little bit. Spent the day on the river yesterday. Fuck yeah, it was awesome. First time out on the river in a long time, and I had a great time with my homie Henry, so you're my boy, Blue, you're my boy, Blue. But anywho, until next time, look this son of a bitch up on the Wish. Buy it. Holy crap. So far, initial thoughts, fucking amazing blade. Amazing. So, we'll find out more in the future here. I'll do another video of an update. I'm going to carry this thing, use it at work, shit like that. It's going to be a good time. Until next time, stay sharp, stay frosty.
That's for sure 2 deer I've seen.
Oh yeah.
I think there was 2 though right there, so that would have been 3.
I'm pretty sure there were. River day, finally! It's awesome out here. It is warm-ish. Aside from the wind gets a little chilly. But having a quick smoke break, and yeah,